everybody, welcome back to Malarkey. Tiny here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can see videos like this every day. So, in the last video, I made some really cool ornaments and I walked you through step by step. Everyone loved it. It was amazing. Now, in this video, we're doing something a little different. I'm continuing with my baskets, but this time, we're making clay beads. Yeah, I know. It's actually really easy. It just takes a while, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step the whole way with my signature voiceover. And some of my friends like bigger beads, some of my friends like smaller beads, so I'm going to show you how to make beads in all different sizes. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick out your colors. So for this one, my friend likes yellow, so I did like yellows and oranges and whites. And once you've like cut all your clay apart for those colors, you're going to want to roll them all into little balls like I'm doing here with my magical wand. So you just want to roll them smooth, but this part doesn't really have too much effect since you're going to be doing more with this clay a little later. So once you've rolled them all into balls, like I have them here. I have orange, a lighter orange, a yellow, a neon yellow, sort of like a cream. You're going to want to roll them all into like the long snakes like you do with like your Play-Doh. And then you're just going to want to, like, not too thin, but like so they're all the same size. And then once you've done that, you're going to kind of like twist them into like candy canes. So you just like pull them all together and then like just twist them. I don't really know how to describe that, but it should look something like this. Then you're just going to want to just grab it in your fist and then just clump it together like that and then like smooth it out so you've rolled all your clay into like one little ball. And then you're going to want to roll all of that out into like a long snake like you did with like the single colors, but this time all the colors are together so it's all mixed really nice, sort of like a rainbow type thing. So once you've done that, just make sure it's not too thin. You're going to want to chop off little pieces like I've done here. So just like, and then when you want to chop as many pieces as you want. That part doesn't really matter, but that's going to be the number of beads you have. And then roll your little pieces into balls. They don't have to be perfect. They can be a little chunky or like imperfect or asymmetrical, but that's what makes this style really nice because it's different. So then for this next step, you're going to need a paper clip. So you want to just find one of those. I suggest like the bigger ones, like the big silver ones, like these. And then once you get your paper clip, you're going to want to bend out the side because that's how you're going to make your holes in your beads to put your string through. So you're going to want to make sure your hole is big enough to get the string through, but not too big that it slips out. And then you can put that set of beads aside, and then you can move on to your next one. See, this friend likes mint green. I didn't really have a mint green, so I just kind of like made the lightest green I could. And then so you want to make sure you add lots and lots of colors into your beads because that'll make it more diverse and more like it'll look nicer. It's hard to explain, but when you have lots of colors, it just gives it a range. So this is one of my favorite styles. This says like pink, yellow, and orange. I really like this. My friend has good taste. So yeah, you're just going to repeat that for as many beads as you want. If you want, you can use this style. You don't even have to make bracelets. You can make like necklaces or like, you can even use this technique to make like a ring dish. Like you just got to roll it into a ball and then you flatten it and then like crimp the sides. I might do a tutorial on that. Who knows? But yeah, the whole process takes a while, but it's very rewarding because the beads and the bracelets all look so cool. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them. You can even like make a business out of these. You can like sell these for like lots and lots of money, but I mean, I just like to give them as gifts because it's so easy, but it looks so professional. So these beads, I made them a little bigger because they're actually going to be a keychain. So when you do that, you just don't make a lot of pieces. You do like however many pieces on your keychain you want. I just like to do 3 little balls, like one on top of the other. Yeah, so like you just want bigger beads for your keychains or like smaller beads for your bracelets. So you can even make a pendant out of this. You just need to take your your rolled up clay ball and then just flatten it into a circle, and then you can add like a hook and put a string through it, and boom, you have a necklace. I'll probably make a tutorial on how to make lots of different things with this clay technique, but bracelets are the #1 thing because everyone loves them and they're just so great. Because if you don't even have to wear them, you can put them on like your water bottle, or you can even use it as a hair tie. I've used it as a hair tie before. But yeah, you want to make sure you don't have any excess clay in your holes. Okay, so once you have all your beads, you can put them on a tray in your oven, and then depending on the type of clay that you have, you'll have to heat it up to like a different point. See, this set wants me to heat it up to 250, so that's what I heated it up to. And you're just gonna get any kind of tray with foil on it and line them all up. Then you can just stick it in your oven. And I like to, and it depends on like how big your clay is. So I just like to put it in for 30 minutes and just continuously check on it. So now I've cooked all my beads, so now it's time to actually make the jewelry. So you can even add charms because that makes it look really nice. Then you're going to need your like a stretchy string, and then you're going to need clear nail polish. So first you're going to chop off your stretchy string and tie a knot at the end. Then you're going to kind of just like roll your beads on, and then add a charm sort of in the middle. And then just put the rest of your beads on. And then you're just going to want to tie the sides together. And then this next part is actually really weird, but it helps a lot. You're going to take your clear nail polish and you're going to put it over the knot where you tied your two ends together, because when it dries, it's going to seal it and it won't break or like untie. So my mom taught me that, I think, but it's really helpful. So the next part for the keychain, you're just going to do one like string like this, but you're not even going to tie it. You're just going to add like a keychain piece at the top, instead of tying it together like a bracelet, like I did here. The charm actually fell off of this one, so yay. So, trick for this, line up your beads first and choose where you want to put your charm so that it's in the middle. That way, like, you won't have it, like, lopsided and everything. See, just like that, and then you just roll the rest of your beads on. And this is, like, my favorite part, because just watching it all come together is just so much fun. But clear nail polish looks good if you have any kind of, like, sealer. Okay, so now we're finished. Check out the finished products. They look pretty great, don't they? I know, I made them. But yeah, it takes a while, but it's just so rewarding to just look at this beautiful piece of artwork you've made. So tell me which one of these bracelets is your favorite, like in the comments or something. I don't know. I didn't plan this out. Yeah, but they just look so awesome, and I'm just so proud of myself. But yeah, they make great Christmas presents, birthday presents, anything, you know? So, thanks. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can always see videos like this. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next episode of making these baskets. What'll be next? Nobody knows. So, see you later. Bye.